As we all know, Atomy Lutein is already coming to Atomy Europe and the price will be 32 euros, okay? First of all, before we start, I would like to let you know that our eyes are one of the most important organs in daily life. Yet they are constantly exposed to stress from digital devices. I'm so guilty about that because I'm on my phone for like, I think if I could count the hours today, like 5 hours on my phone. From digital devices, UV rays, aging, and poor lifestyle habits. Over time, this can lead to eye fatigue, dryness, and a decline in vision health. So I've noticed that because when I go to school, for example, I have to already use an eyeglasses. Before I don't use it, but now I couldn't really see even a person who is a bit further away. So some people tell me, Arjoyce, you are so snab. I said, no, I'm not snab. I cannot see you. So so they because I don't always put my eyeglasses. So Atomy Lutein is a health supplement designed to support and protect your eyes, our eyes. Its key ingredient is lutein. So from the name itself, Atomy Lutein. This is a carotenoid found naturally in the macula of the eye, where it plays a crucial role in filtering harmful blue light and maintaining sharp vision. However, since lutein cannot be produced by the body, it must be obtained through diet or with health supplements like our Atomy Eye Lutein. Now, as you can see here, muscular degeneration. So what is muscular degeneration? Or it is often called age-related macular degeneration or AMD. So this is an eye disease that affects the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. So first, I would like to break down what does the macula do, in our eyes. The macula allows us to see fine details, clearly things like reading, recognizing faces, driving, or seeing objects straight ahead. What happens in macular degeneration? The cells of the macula gradually break down or become damaged. As a result, central vision becomes blurry, distorted, or develops dark spots while vision often remains intact. So there are actually some types of AMD. So first type is what we call the dry AMD. So this is more common with slower progression. This is caused by thinning of the macula and buildup of deposits called drusen. The second one is the wet AMD. So this is less common and has a faster progression. It occurs when abnormal blood vessels grow under the retina and leak fluid or blood, leading to more rapid vision loss. So sometimes we can see some people with like it's very visible sometimes in the eyes that there's like some blood spots. This is very dangerous. So this requires immediate action to go to the doctor. So here are the risk factors on AMD. So aging, most common in people over 50. Family history of AMD. If a person is smoking, poor diet, low in antioxidants, prolonged UV exposure, high blood pressure, and of course, cardiovascular issues. I'm gonna really make a promise to myself. I'm not gonna be super long on my phone. The phone is very addictive. Who's guilty? Are you also sometimes addicted with your phone? No, Glyza, wow, lucky you. Who's not addicted? Only Glyza? Oh my God, Glyza, you're still on the old times, huh? No, just kidding. Yeah. So most of us are kind of addicted with our phones. Now, so as I've said, these are the risk factors for the regeneration. Leading causes of vision loss. So as I explained a while ago, I'll just give us a summary. So near vision loss, which is called also presbyopia, blurry or hazy vision like cataracts, dry eyes, refractive errors, peripheral vision loss or glaucoma. I know you've heard a lot about this glaucoma when we are aging. Normally glaucoma occurs. Central vision loss or macular degeneration, patchy vision loss or floaters, which means that a person is diabetic. Now, these are the factors for healthy eyes and some of the ingredients of our Atomy eye lutein. So in today's digital world, our eyes are under constant strain from screens, right? Aging and environmental stress. Atomy eye lutein is designed to help protect and support your eyes every single day. That's why I'm really looking forward to have this supplement here. The star ingredient of Atomy lutein is what we call lutein, as you can see on your screen. It helps maintain the macular pigment in the eyes, the part responsible for clear, sharp vision. Remember that as we age, this pigment naturally declines, but supplementing with lutein helps defend your vision and slow age-related eye fatigue. Next one is the vitamin A. Later on, I will also give you a clear breakdown of all the benefits of these main ingredients. Okay, so now I'm just giving you a summary. Vitamin A is essential for clear night vision. If you struggle with driving at night or adjusting to low light, this nutrient plays a key role in helping your eyes adapt and stay comfortable. While zinc supports cell renewal and immune health, helping your eyes repair and protect themselves from daily wear and tear. And what really sets this product apart is the 20% premium berry extract blend, including bilberry, blueberry, aronia, blackcurrant, and elderberry. So these antioxidant-rich berries help combat oxidative stress, which is one of the major causes of eye aging. All right, so there are some berry extract on our eye lutein. So as I've said a while ago, I give you a breakdown. If you wanted to take some picture or wanted to have the presentation later on, just let me know so I can make a PDF of this presentation. So you can read it for yourself. The benefits of eye lutein, benefits of vitamin A, benefits of zinc, and as well as the benefits of berry extract, okay? Now, also, one of the biggest differences with Atomy eye lutein is where the lutein comes from. Of course, this product uses Aztec marigold, known as one of the richest natural sources of lutein in the world. These marigold flowers are grown in a traditional harvest region with an ideal climate and nutrient-rich black soil, allowing the plants to naturally develop a higher concentration of lutein. So unlike mass-produced ingredients, the marigold flowers used here are hand-picked, ensuring only high-quality flowers are selected for extraction. Why? Because this helps preserve purity and potency. Why does this matter? Why do you think it matters? Because the quality of lutein starts at the source. If you have better soil, better climate, and careful harvesting lead to a cleaner, more effective lutein for our eye health, all right? And this premium sourcing is especially important for protecting the macula, the part of the eye which is responsible for sharp, detailed vision. So therefore, when our customers choose Atomy eye lutein, they are just not buying another eye supplement. They are actually choosing a product that's thoughtfully sourced and carefully manufactured and designed for long-term eye protection. So by the way, I have had some clients of Atomy eye lutein and they really had a very good impression about this product, especially the older ones. Now, how to use this product? Recommended use is 1 capsule per day. It is as recommended on the product label. So we have to swallow the capsule with a glass of water. It is always important with food. It is best taken with meals because lutein is a fat-soluble nutrient. So taking it with food that contains healthy fats like avocado, nuts, or olive oil or fish improves absorption. So I'm just I am just also thinking that it is best to combine atomilutein and omega-3 because omega-3 is also good for our eye health. And best time to take it, morning or lunchtime. Taking it during breakfast or lunch is ideal since you're likely to consume it with another nutrients and healthy fats. Please avoid on empty stomach. Why? Because absorption is lower if taken without food. And I would like to remind us, of course, consistency matters. For eye health benefits, take it daily at the same time to build a habit and maintain steady nutrient levels. And also some extra tip, if you spend long hours on digital devices or under bright sunlight, taking it in the morning may give your eyes protection throughout the day. So especially in the summer, please remember that and share the tip to your potential Atomy Lutein customers. Combine it with a balanced diet rich in leafy green fruits and fish for maximum eye health support. And always allow the instructions on the official Atomy packaging. Or also, if you have any medical conditions to take over, supplements to take with other supplements or medication, please consult your doctor first.